Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the sort and filter tab available in the home menu. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, mathematical economics, econometrics, statistics, and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So here I have the hypothetical data. Now suppose I want to arrange this data in ascending or descending order. So first I'm going to select this column in which marks are entered, and then you click on sort and filter. So we have three options: sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. So first select sort smallest to largest. Once you click on this dialog box will open. Here we have two options: expand the selection, continue with the current selection. Now, if you select the expand the selection, you can see the change in roll number column also. So click on sort. Now you see marks is arranged from smallest to largest, and here this column has also changed. So roll number 7 got 12 marks. Roll number 4 scored 15 marks. So it is smallest to largest. This arrangement is from smallest to largest. Now I am again selecting this. Go to sort and filter and select sort largest to smallest. Expand the selection. Sort. So now you can see 27 is here. So roll number 5 scored 27. Roll number 1 scored 23. So this arrangement is from largest to smallest. So you can arrange your data in ascending and descending order as per your requirement. Now suppose I am using filter. So you go to sort and filter again and click on filter. So you can see down arrow here. This down arrow. Once you click on down arrow, you have various options. And here we have number filters. So now you can select the range or select the roll numbers by using the if condition. So suppose I am selecting greater than. So I want the list of roll numbers who have scored more than 17 marks. So I'm writing 17 here and click OK. So you can see. So those who have scored below 17, the roll numbers who have scored below 17 are not available on my screen now. Again, you go to filter and you clear this filter. So you have all the roll numbers again. So go to filter, number filters, use less than. So less than 15. Okay. Now do not get confused. Why this row is here? Because the filter option is available here, and therefore it is always there. The first row is always there. So the roll number who have scored below 15 is roll number 7 and the score is 12. So again, you clear the filter. So this is how you can use various filters available. You have equals, does not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above average or below average. I have already discussed this in the conditional formatting, right? So since you have applied the filter, the same menus are available in the filter column. Now, suppose you want to remove this filter. So again, go to this cell, that is B2, click on sort and filter and select filter. So you can see now down arrow is not there. So this is how you can use sort and filter option available in the home menu. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.